In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your LinkedIn to your Upwork profile. This process is perfect for freelancers who want to showcase their professional online presence and attract more clients. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to the Upwork homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so with your credentials. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, move your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon or your name. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Profile. This section is where you can make all sorts of changes and enhancements to your Upwork presence. As you scroll through your profile page, look for the Portfolio section. This is an essential part of your profile that showcases your previous work and projects, providing a visual and detailed account of what you can offer potential clients. Once you've located the Portfolio section, you'll see a plus sign, usually on the right side. Click on this plus sign to add a new project to your portfolio. With the new project form open, start by entering your project title. Choose a title that accurately represents your project and catches the eye, something concise yet descriptive. Next to the title, you'll find a space to add a project description. Take your time here to clearly outline what the project was about, the skills you utilized, and the outcomes achieved. This description helps potential clients understand your capabilities and the value you bring. After crafting a compelling description, you'll need to add the relevant skills and deliverables associated with the project. This could be specific skills like graphic design, web development, or content writing, depending on your profession. Including these details increases your chances of being discovered by clients looking for those specific skills. Once you've filled out the necessary project details, find a text icon or link field in the project form. Clicking here allows you to add external links. This is where you will paste your LinkedIn profile URL. Ensure that the link is correct and that your LinkedIn profile is public so that potential clients can view it. After completing this step, click on Next Preview to see a quick overview of your project's appearance. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking Next Thumbnail. Here you'll have the option to upload an image that best represents your project. Choose an image that's visually appealing and relevant to the work you've done. When you're satisfied with all the inputs and the visual appearance of your project in the preview, click on Publish. This will make your project, along with the link to your LinkedIn profile, live on your Upwork portfolio, effectively linking the two accounts. Finally, click Done to exit the editing interface. As an additional step, you can enhance your profile by scrolling further down and adding more experiences. Use this section to input more subjects, attach links, and then click Save to ensure all changes are intact. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to linking your LinkedIn profile to your Upwork account. Following these instructions will make your profile more robust and improve your professional presence online. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your freelancing journey.